You won't believe this. I managed to fix my sewing machine, and my daughter. I found out that my daughter has spoiled my ring light, and she actually broke it. I don't even know how these children. I found it like this, separated. Yeah, it was covered with this, so I have to open it, and it's totally just bare. You know, bare. And the thing is too short, the wires are too short, so I'm trying to see if I can fix it. I want to use my soldering iron to solder it back. Wish me luck, guys. I just want to screw it back. I'm so sad right now. I just finished like today. If you check my videos, I did part 1 of my sewing machine. It was today that I actually figured out and fixed it, and it's actually working. And I wanted to now come and make some do-it-yourself projects with the sewing machine, and I was coming to take my ring light, only to find out that this is out. And I tried to on it, there is no light at all. It's really sad. It's going to be hard for me to focus all these things. I don't even know, like the way this thing pulled out, I don't know where. But I think this is the positive. I don't even know the way the signs are. Maybe I need to go back to my electronic this thing for my LED, because I know there's a time we learned this in school. What I know is this is positive, negative. Man.
You're currently on DSTV Compact. Ready to step up?
Let's do it!
Step up again. Congratulations! DSTV has stepped you up to premium. Enjoy all your favorite channels like a boss.
But somewhere along the line, I didn't do, as much as I wanted to do. So I believe Nigerian Idol is going to be the platform that I need.
The wire is too short.
Show the world that I'm good at what
I
I
need
do.
to cut it.
So,
I need to open this thing.
The program you're about to watch is proudly sponsored by Binance, Exchange the World, and Biggie Drinks, my Jazz favorite.
And
It's day 2 of season 7 auditions, and with so many talented singers still to try out, everyone knew they would have to have something quite unique to impress the judges. And 24-year-old Kenneth had something very unique.
Hello, my name is Kenneth. I'm 24 years old and I'm from Delta State. I'm currently a contortionist and a flexibility coach, so basically I can help anyone be flexible. Really flexible people who can bend their body into shapes, into whatever, fitting anything.
You're the feeling that is.
Nah, at all.
How do you learn to be a low contact?
Which one of them is the wire?
It's on.
I wanted to learn all this. I thought I was telling you about. I'm not even trying.
I could teach you.
No, my age. I look 21, but don't worry about that. So, what are you doing for us today?
I will be singing Hello by Beyonce.
So, take your time. When you're ready, let's go.
Remember those walls I built? Oh, baby, they're tumbling down. It didn't even put up a fight. It didn't even make a sound. I found a way.
Yes, I've fixed this, but this is not neat. Oh, there's no lights.
Hi guys, my name is Zado. I'm 27
I'm off
years
it, yes.
old, and
I wanted
southern part
that
of
wiring to
Nigeria.
be clear so that people can
Yes,
see.
precisely in those state. That's
Yeah.
where I'm from. I'm currently
That's
busy
about it.
with
But it's
music
not really strong. That's why I wanted to show the wiring.
Just,
It's not strong. Now come out again.
developing